Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Enter loyalty, gift card or public transport. Firstly, let's go to loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add. You can scan your card or enter details manually. Now let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport, and if you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.